video.
Oh.
I wanted to get you sneezing on camera.
Oh, did you get it?
No, you sneezed too fast.
Yeah. She told me to wait.
You can't hold a sneeze back.
I can delay it.
That's impressive.
I can be like,
That's impressive. Too much pressure to sneeze. Bless you.
I think it was just one. Wait, no. It's more.
You can't just baby Jesus.
BJ. BJ gave me a cat.
Oh my god, she's gonna sneeze again.
Wait, here it comes. Stop. No, it needs to just come out.
Here, I'll go get Pepper. And
My eyes are like watering.
Oh my god. She's like ready to come, ladies and gentlemen. You're trying to give birth to something. You're like, oh.
It won't come out. I feel like I've lost it. No,
She's lost it.
No, it's there.
It's gone.
There's a tickle in my nose.
Going on in a minute 15 here. I wonder if you can do it by 3. Like you're about to fucking. Keep losing your spot.
Don't make me laugh. When I laugh, I lose it. Maybe I should like put my hair up.
Have a cookie. Just sneezed.
I'm laughing too hard. Alright. No, it's completely gone.
Oh, Jesus. It's like a letdown.
Jesus. What fucking voice was that? Jesus. I almost want to do a fake one to make you happy. I almost want to do a fake one to make you happy.
You're trying to make me happy. That's such a good friend. Friend. Smell my blankie. My blankie smells bad.
Maybe I'll sneeze.
Yes. Dude. Does it smell like Cheetos? People want to know.
I feel like it doesn't
smells
have
like
much
Cheetos.
scent.
Well, that's good. This doesn't smell like Cheetos or Doritos. Nasty. Moldy cheese and feet. No. It's not happening, huh? Do you want a tissue, though?